guys, so I wanted to show you guys the mascaras that I use. The first one would be this Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I really like it. It's waterproof as well and it holds up my curls really well, as you can see, and it's very lengthening. The second one would be this Urban Decay Canon Ultra Waterproof Mascara. This is a recommendation by Jen Im probably about 2 to 3 years back, and I really like it. It's more of a lengthening mascara rather than a thickening or like a volumizing one. It gives my lashes a wispy effect and I really like it. So this one is the Lancome Hypnose Doll Eye Waterproof Mascara. This one I bought it at an airport and I remember it was like really expensive, but this is worth the money. I really like it. It's volumizing yet also lengthening, and I love the scent of this. It smells like honey. If you're looking for a high-end mascara, go for this one. I really like this. I don't think it will ever like disappoint anyone. Moving on to drugstore mascara, this is the Maybelline Big Shot by Maybelline, and this one is my favorite one out of all the Maybelline mascaras because this holds my short Asian lashes well and it gives off a very nice natural effect. Okay, the next one is this Glossier Lash Slick mascara. At first I didn't like it, but after my lash lift I used it again and I really like the effect. It feels like I'm wearing false lashes. This is an OG. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I used to like it a lot, but I got a new one and it's pretty disappointing though. I thought it would give a more va-va-voom effect, but after all it's just very natural. This is the Maybelline Colosseum Volume Express in the cat eye version. This actually replaced my old favorite. I used to like the Faced Mascara by Maybelline, but this one actually gives off the same effect, and yeah, guys, go try this out. So this is the Gigi Hadid Maybelline Mascara. I got it in a gift pack and I really like it because it has extra fibers, and the fibers actually adds a volumizing and lengthening effect. This is the Lancome Grandiose Mascara. This one I really enjoyed the wand and it's so easy to just apply this mascara on my eyes, and yeah, it gives off a very nice wispy effect. Not as volumizing and lengthening as the doll eyes one. It's too old mascara, but I just want to try it out if this still works. So I'm gonna use this on my right eye and this on my left eye. We shall see. Right, so this is the final look. I used the pink one on this eye and it kind of gives like the Glossier Lash Slick kind of lashes. It's more like sparse and it's just lengthening. And then this other one, I'm using the black one. This is a little bit more clumpy and it adds way more volume than this eye, but I feel that the wand for this mascara is way too huge, so it kind of just smudged my upper eyelid. But yeah, other than that, I think for like just $5 mascara, I think they are pretty good. So yeah, this one is like in this pink tube. So I guess I've mentioned this Heroine Make Mascara so many times on my YouTube videos and I really like it. I introduced it to all my friends. It's so waterproof and so lengthening. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye!
Yeah.